Hello everyone. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can mirror a video in CapCut. Since nowadays CapCut has been a very popular editing app lately, and most people, especially TikTokers, has been using it to edit it. So you will learn how to crop a video in CapCut. So in today's video I'm going to show you can do all that by using CapCut. And the steps are quite actually simple. Simply start by opening your CapCut. And now that your CapCut is open, you can see that we have our recent videos we once worked on. So let's simply start by opening new project. And now that the new project is open, you can see that we have been given the option to select the video you would like to edit. So simply select the one you like. And now as you can see your video has been opened in the proper tools for editing. So now this is where we are going to mirror our video. So to do that, simply come and then click on the editing button. And now as you can see you have been presented with even more tools to work with, so simply slide left and then come on the editing button. And now as you can see we have 3 tools to work with, so simply click on mirror button. And now as you can see your video has mirrored to right, and if you click again it will mirror to left. If you tap again, it will mirror to left, and if you tap on them you will see that they will immediately apply again to right. So from now on you can mirror your video however you want. And if you wanted, you would go back and then get it back to normal. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching, and if you are new, please make sure you subscribe.